another one.
This one says, stuck on learning Python. I have zero coding experience and I started learning Python a week ago and it seems very confusing and hard, but I'm not ready to give up. But I barely understand anything and I tried YouTube, but it's is no use. Excuse me. I can't neither. I can't use Code Academy because I have to pay for it and I am stuck on learning Python as it is very confusing. Help me by giving me free resources to learn that actually makes you create projects and stuff. So I just finished saying that you can go on Udemy and get a course for like 15, 20, 30 bucks when they're on sale. And I'm curious, how much does Code Academy cost? Now I'm curious. Is it an egregious amount of money that for individuals it is $0 for the basic plan and then 14.99 a month billed annually or 29.99 billed monthly. So 15 to 30 bucks a month if you want to use Code Academy, or you can go to them. You can either sign up for a plan with them or you can buy the course individually. So why is it that why is it that we do not want to pay for our education? See, and this is the part that kills me. I'm pretty sure 99% of us, okay, not 99%, but a good amount of us, at least most of us here, have some type of college experience. Whatever we might have went to for college for. I know like some people they go to college because when I was in high school, I was doing dual enrollment and I loved not necessarily criminal justice, but I loved the learning about the laws and stuff like that. And there was like so many people doing criminal justice. And then you can have people doing like English majors and stuff like that. My favorite, political science, all of these, right? So we'll go to school, we'll spend $100,000 on a major that we will have absolutely no use for whatsoever. And then we want to protest student loan and wanting to get it wiped out because of our own poor decisions. But now, when you have the opportunity to spend maybe a Udemy course or 15 to $30 monthly to learn something that's going to add value to you, we say, nope, we can't do it because we have to pay for it. So, and you just want to stick to YouTube. Like, YouTube is great. Trust me, I love YouTube and the videos that they give, but it is hard. Like if someone doesn't have a step-by-step playlist on YouTube, it's going to be hard. And another thing that happens is even with the step-by-step playlist, you might have a question about something like something's not working for you and you post a comment and you might never get a response on that comment because content creators are super busy. When you're using tools like Code Academy, most likely, and definitely with Udemy, um, in most of the courses that I've taken, they give you access to a Discord where you can interact and ask questions and stuff like that. There's also the ability to ask questions in the actual course on Udemy to get that answered. So many resources, but we don't want to pay for it, and it's such a low cost as well. So if you are looking to further your skills and to enhance your ability, why do we make like such a big deal? Now, is it possible that this person right here is in another country where it's hard for them to pay for stuff? Quite possibly, but we need to invest in the things that are important for us. We need to invest in the things that are important for us. Like that is the number one thing. Now, if you're looking for a free, I can probably find one free resource. I mean, there's probably more, but I'm pretty sure that Free Code Camp has a Python course and stuff like that. But from like when I've used Free Code Camp in the past, I remember that they've been more focused on HTML, JavaScript, CSS, not as much on Python, but which they might have some Python stuff on there. But I would definitely recommend going on Udemy, getting a Python course, getting it on sale, and then going through that where you have the resources where people can actually help you and you're actually building actual projects. I learned Python. Well, I learned Python in like 2 ways, but I'll give you a quick history. Before I even knew anything about Python, I was helping my cousin to write she was doing a project for her master's thesis, and I helped her with the concept of object-oriented programming that I knew from Java to write her code in Python and do her testing and everything like that. But then when I said, all right, let me formally learn Python, that was about 2 years ago, where I took a course on Udemy and I just followed through the whole course and I became a very, very proficient and pretty good in Python, like enough to get hired at a job. And I use Python every single day now, right? So there are resources, but the problem is when you attach the word free for it, then I'm going to be honest with you. You turn a lot of people away who would be willing and able to help you because you're not investing in yourself. And for me personally, the biggest problem that I have with people is when they refuse to invest in themselves. We will spend a bunch of money on a bunch of other stuff that is not really useful to us. But, like a $100,000 degree of how to weave baskets underwater. But to learn how to do Python, web development, things that not only can work for a company, but you can build applications for yourself. We don't want to spend the time or the money on that. So that is where we're at. That is where we are at.
If you enjoyed the fascinating information shared in this video and you want more, be sure to hit the subscribe button to Tech Coach Ralph to be notified for new videos.